Well, here we have a stunning 1965 Jaguar E-Type Series 1 4.2 fixed head coupe. For many, it's the coupe that has the most beautiful and iconic shape with that wonderfully sloping rear end. And this particular car has not only had a really comprehensive restoration, but it's also had some very exciting improvements. In 2010 it went to an E-Type Jaguar specialist Lanes Cars for a full restoration, and 2 years later it was back on the road with less than 9,000 miles covered since then. 2 years after the completion of the major restoration, it went to a company called Windspeed, and more than £10,000 was spent on some further upgrades which take the car performance-wise to a whole new level. And you can find more details about this and our other cars from the link in the description below. It's completed around 5,000 miles since this major series of upgrades carried out in 2014, and 9,000 since completion of the full rebuild. 11 years now since it was put back on the road. The body shell is still in first class condition with a colour coded underside. The paint finish itself has a superb gloss to it. The chrome work and glass are excellent. The interior is quite simply beautiful. The car has an engine bay and boot compartment to match. It is not only a spectacular looking car, it's a spectacular driving car. On the road it's absolutely outstanding. Enhanced performance with all these upgrades, and the 5-speed gearbox it now has makes the car is an absolute delight for long distance touring. For us, this is a really special car, and it'll be a very difficult one to repeat.